If you've been thinking about making the move to Hingham, but are ideally looking for a family neighborhood where you have at least half an acre, then this neighborhood tour today is for you. In this video today, I'm going to take you on a driving tour through the Myers Farm Road neighborhood. This is a fantastic, family-friendly neighborhood where every single house sits on at least half an acre and about 85% of them have pools. So stay tuned as I take you through this neighborhood and you can see what it's all about. And by the way, my name is Sean Murphy with Living on the South Shore and Real, and this is what I specialize in, helping people just like you relocate and buy on the South Shore of Massachusetts. So if you have any questions throughout this video, you can comment below or you can check the description for my contact information. The best way to get a hold of me is to send me a text or an email, and that can be any question about any town here on the South Shore. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one so you can learn everything there is about the South Shore of Massachusetts. But without further ado, let's get into the Myers Farm Road neighborhood tour. All right, first things first, like we always do, let's show you where Hingham is on a map. Boston top left there, so fantastic location right at the beginning of the South Shore next to Weymouth, Hull, and Cohasset. Zoomed in map here, red pin being downtown Hingham, green pin being the Myers Farm Road neighborhood. So very central location in town. And here is our beautiful satellite image of the neighborhood. You will see it's a dead-end cul-de-sac type of road, so you're not getting any through traffic. And this neighborhood is right off of Cross Street, which in itself doesn't get a ton of traffic. So very quiet neighborhood. Now as we pull in off of Cross Street onto Myers Farm Road, you will see the homes begin on the left here. Now 26 homes in total throughout the neighborhood, all of which, aside from two of them, were built between 1982 and 1987. Those other two homes were built in 1992 and 1994. Every single house on this street is sitting on at least half an acre, with the largest piece of land being 1.64 acres. So you definitely get some space in this neighborhood, and about 85% of the houses in here have a pool, which is pretty cool. So pool parties, I'm sure, are pretty common in the summer here in New England. Now let's talk sales. There were no sales in 2024, 2 sales in 2023, but there have been, as of this recording, in early June of 2025, there have been 2 sales thus far this year. One going for $2 million, the other one going for just over $2 million at $2.099 million. Both of those homes are 4 bedrooms, about 3,500 to 3,800 square feet, and sitting on about half an acre of land. So these houses do not go up for sale very often, but when they do, they are going for a pretty penny, and there's definitely some good competition on this road. Now, these 2 houses to the left here, these were the 1992 and 1994 builds. Now, the last thing I will note about this neighborhood, this is in the Plymouth River School District. If you're thinking about elementary schools in Hingham, that is one thing to note here, that is in the PRS district, because there are 4 different elementary school districts in town. But that concludes our tour of the Myers Farm Road neighborhood. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and let me know if I can help you with any part of your search.